Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we're gonna discuss the aspects of IT in business. So without further ado, let's start our discussion. So the different aspects of IT used in business. Number one is internet. So the internet forms the backbone of modern business communication, allowing instant access to data, collaboration tools, cloud platforms, and global reach. Why? Because internet, uh, the IT system, particularly the database, server, mail server, file server, and many business data are integrated into internet. That's why IT communication is such a tremendous resources among businesses, especially banks and many other businesses, encompassing all other businesses actually. Because communicating with vendors, suppliers worldwide, so there's no time zone anymore, no? So the internet is keep running 24/7, 365 in a year. So it never sleep, no? So the collections and orderings, order processing, and logistics is done by online. So take up of the Amazon. Okay. So example, a company like Amazon uses internet operate its e-commerce platform, communicate with customers and manage logistics. So their logistics is all over encompassing worldwide. So the order processing is done via website, and then that will be uh, reached into the database, and then people in the Amazons will going to deliver the order. Actually, Amazon don't own the company, but they have just a have connections with the company. So that's how they do the IT communications. Okay, so these are our citations. So next is email. Email, we know already. Email is electronic mail. The traditional is the snail mail. So that's the conventional without the technology. So this application used for formal communication. Why? Because when you send email, there is a date that will be a prescription for the sending of the documents. For example, collections, delivery. There's a date, no, of sending the email. So the other party cannot lie. So that's the beauty of email. So also for record keeping, you just keep your record there. When you need, so you just retrieve it there. No? So email is a tremendous application for formal transactions and quick exchange across department and time zones. Can you imagine na email circumnavigate worldwide? So it's very powerful. So another example of that one is Microsoft Outlook is commonly used in corporate settings for project updates, meeting invitation, and clients communication. So we know already the advantage of having an email. So you just link a link in your email, and then you invite other people to visit your website. That's how the uh, digital marketing one way. No? So that's it. No? So citation from Robson. It's actually a strategic management information system. So people get their meet their quotas and sales because of this email. Another thing is blogs. Blogs are used by business for content marketing. So because blogs tells a lot of things, no? It has a video, it has a documentation of any businesses. Also, but we know blogs more on entertainment, but actually it's for business. Sharing insights, company updates, improving search engine optimization visibility. So there are many blogs nowadays, now different angle. So HubSpot is one of them, maintaining blog offering marketing advice, to promote their CRM, customer relationship management platform. So a lot of blogs is actually offering a advice for people what to buy, which one is sticking, which one is fraud, so things like that. No? So blog is very beneficial, and blogs is uh, earn also for advertisement. Okay. Another thing is blogs. No, blogs has been now. This one is blogs, video blogs. No, so it's more on YouTube and other. Actually, it's not only YouTube is there. No, there are many substitutes for YouTube, but YouTube is the first one in the industry, so that's why people uh, post them to it. No? So blogs are utilized for brand storytelling. So they just put a video there and then people listen and then they will tell about the product, services, everything about the new product. No? So as if you have a teacher in your online. So product demonstration. So later on it was used by education. So a lot of teacher is videoing their presentation and then send to the students. No? That's actually a blogs also. But basically it's more on for product promotion. Yeah, if you have a new product, take a blogs and then send to your clients, and then they will going to learn about your product. And behind scenes content to engage customers visually. So people they like to watch. They don't like to read. So blog is very effective. So as if they are watching movie. So example like GoPro shares user-generated blogs to highlight its product capabilities. Another thing is social media. So we know social media, this is free. So this communication of people of any topic, whether it's it gossip to a selling, from low end to high end to different brand. No? So we have there LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, now X, they call it, no? Facilitate customer engagement. So because people is have a freedom to express their opinion, so brand awareness and direct messaging. So people like to buy good product and then they only learn that through social media because a lot of people have bought the product and then they will tell the story. No? So people like social media. For example, Nike uses Instagram to promote campaigns, engage followers, and announce product launches. No? So social media is very powerful. Another thing is software packages. So this is it's very old Excel PowerPoint world, but still one of the superior package because in Excel you can have all the mathematical computation in the world, no? Accounting, economics, tell everything, engineering. It has all there in Excel, and even research is there. No? Actually, it's a major tools for the research. Before the SPSS, MicroStat, no? So Excel is better, no? Spreadsheet actually is the generic, no? Excel is a brand. So PowerPoint is for a presentation. It's like a big movie, and then they can now PowerPoint is you can integrate there the movie actually online things like that, no? And then also you can record using PowerPoint, no? That's why PowerPoint is very powerful. And Word, of course, if you're right there, uh, it has a lot of tools, no? Me, I myself, I cannot work without Word, you know, because a lot of my editing is on Word, no? Whether I wrote a story, short, we call it novels, no? Word has been there, no? And then you can wrap up Word, no? So word processing is a major software, no? That came there. And then I've been using this for almost 30 years, no? So everyone is a proficient, is accustomed to using word processing, no? Because Word has a lot of tools, no? To make your job easier, and then you can make it a PDF, no? Very easy. So application these tools essential for internal documentation, presentation, data analysis, and reporting. So the MS package is sought after business application, no? So except for financial modeling usually, so analysis, no? A lot of paper, no? Computation, insurance, PowerPoint for presentation. So words for writing reports, proposal memos, and so on and so forth. No? Financial analysts use an Excel budget forecasting PowerPoint to present findings to stakeholders. For us to convince the customer, we need to have a PowerPoint so that they can visualize. We can put movie there also in the PowerPoint, and then they will go to listen. So these are all essential IT communication tools in the business nowadays. No? So if you have some question, you just send me. Okay? So for now, let's end this segment. Thank you for having with us. Bye bye.